Hello, I'm John Dermeyer, and this is my wife Krista. And today we're going to be doing a cardiorespiratory assessment using the Harvard Step Test. And the Harvard Step Test is conducted using a metronome that's set at 30 beats per minute. And behind us we have a chair that's 20 inches high. And how you conduct this test is going with the cadence of the metronome. The client will step up on the step for 5 minutes consecutively, every 2 seconds. And as long as they can keep that rate, you can fulfill that test. And before we start the test, we will take a resting heart rate and blood pressure. And I've already put the blood pressure cuff on my wife's arm because I fumble with it. So we'll start with the blood pressure. Alright, her blood pressure was 126 over 80. Now we're going to take her pulse. '72 was her resting heart rate. Okay, now that we've got Krista's resting heart rate and her blood pressure, we're going to start the Harvard Step Test. I'm going to start the metronome. And she has 5 minutes to perform this test. 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
You try it. You have 15 seconds. You can't stick to it. Keep going. Okay. Alright, you made it. Alright, and we decided to stop because she, for 15 consecutive seconds, was unable to keep the rate. So now we're going to take a heart rate. So now her heart rate was 96, and blood pressure. I'll take it one more time. Sorry. So what I got on that one was 140 over 96. I'm new at taking blood pressure, so I don't know if that's right, but I guess that's right. Thank you so much for watching this cardiorespiratory evaluation using the Harvard step test, and I want to thank my wife for participating and doing that test. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good night.